Here's how to set up stretched resolution and Nvidia Control Panel for gaming. Open Nvidia Control Panel and click Change Resolution on the left sidebar. Scroll down and click Customize. In the window that appears, click Create Custom Resolution. Set the horizontal value to your desired width, for example 1280, and the vertical value to your monitor's height, for example 1080. Set the refresh rate to the highest your monitor supports, for example 165 Hz. Leave all other values at default and click Test. If your screen briefly goes dark and comes back with the resolution visible in the list, your custom resolution was accepted. Click OK to save it. Back in the resolution list, select your new custom resolution and click Apply. If you see black bars on the sides, go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position. Set Scaling Mode to Full Screen and set Perform Scaling on Display. Check Override the scaling mode set by Games and Programs. Set the preview resolution to your custom resolution with your highest refresh rate and click Apply. The black bars will disappear. A tip: stretched resolution is popular in competitive shooters because it makes character models appear wider and easier to track. However, it distorts your image, which takes time to get used to. Try it for a few sessions before committing. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.